And I hope you're all doing well. So today's video will be a short hands-on and an unboxing video of the INFINIX Note 10 Pro. Now this phone comes with some good specs and with a really cheap price. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hi everyone, it's Ian back with a new video. So in today's video we will be going through the Note 10 series. Now this phone comes with a few gifts. I'm going to be unboxing those first before I get to the phone itself. Now the phone box and structure is really nice. It comes with a wireless headset and something to, put your drinks in. So let's go and unbox the headset first, and then I'll go to the other items that are included in the box of this Note 10 series. Now this might be a limited variant, you might not get these packages with you, but for the sake of the video I will be doing the unboxing for you in case you are the person who is planning to buy this variant of the phone. Now let's go ahead and unbox the headset. It comes with a simplistic look on the box outside, and once you go into the phone, or once you go into the headset, you will see the headset itself wrapped in some plastic sheet. Now the headset is wireless, it can be charged through micro USB. I wish it was USB Type-C, but it gets the job done. It comes with a small manual sheet, and after that, that's all you get in the box itself. Now, like I said, it comes with micro USB. You can charge this phone or charge this headset and go ahead and use it for, phone calls or listening to music. Now, with that out of the way, we're going to go and move to the other item, which is the drinks container that comes with the INFINIX branding. Now, it's good to see phones ship other items with the phone itself. I mean, it makes the customer or the user feel like the company gives a bit more importance to their customers rather than just profit. So the second item on our list is the drinks container. It's, I think, 500 milliliters, which can be used to contain your drinks, your hot drinks or warm drinks or even cold drinks as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this as well. It's it's a simple water container or drinks container with the INFINIX branding. It's very nice. It looks nice. The colors are black and dark, which is something that I'm actually a fan of, and that's it. So we're gonna move ahead and go to the other item, which is the main show of this video, the INFINIX Note 10 Pro or the Note 10 series. Now the phone itself comes with 256 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. The specs are all the same, however the variants are different only in storage and RAM. Now this comes with a limited version of INFINIX brandings on it. The only difference is that it comes with a container or a case that protects the phone, while the other ones don't. Now this one is the 256 gigabyte variant, and I'm going to unbox the phone right now. I'm going to remove the plastic sheet that's covering the phone, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look of what is included in the box itself, and then we're going to do a small hands-on. Now let's unbox the phone. Let's first remove the plastic sheet that's protecting this case, and after that I will go ahead and go into the other contents of the box. Now the box itself is similar to the ones that I did previously, like the Hot 10 or the Hot 10i. The box is pretty much the same, however the content or the specs of the phone changed drastically. Now let's go ahead and remove the front cover of the box to see what's included. Now as you can see, obviously the phone itself is sitting right there. We're going to take this out of the box and put it aside for a second to see what's included in the box. So let's go ahead and remove this and put it on the side. Now the content of the box is pretty much the same in comparison to the other contents that we've seen in INFINIX phones. It comes with a $1 bill, a plastic case, a screen protector, a charging brick, and some headsets, which you don't see on a usual basis nowadays. Even the charging brick itself doesn't come with phones, especially with iPhones being the ones to remove them. So that's the $1 bill that I just mentioned. The second item is the screen protector. It's actually a glass screen protector, unlike the Hot 10i or the Hot 10t, which came with plastic screen protectors. So this one is glass. It should give you more protection than usual, and it comes with a plastic case protector as well. Let's put this aside and see what else is included. It comes with a 33-watt charger, which is turbocharged or fast charge, which doesn't really come with phones nowadays. I mean, you pay around $1,000 for an iPhone, and it doesn't even come with a headset nor a charging brick. So the second item is the headset. It's a normal headset, nothing that fancy. However, it's good to see that phones still come with items like this. And the third item is the USB Type-C cable, which supports turbocharge as well. Now let's put these aside and head to the main item of this video, which is the INFINIX Note 10 Pro. Okay, let's put this aside and go ahead and open the phone or boot it up for the first time. I'm going to first remove the plastic sheet that's covering the phone. It also briefly talks about the specs of the phone. I'm going to remove both plastic sheets that are covering the front side and the back side of the phone. Let's go ahead and peel this off. I know you've been waiting for this sound, even though my mic doesn't really catch up with it, but I'm just going to remove it and I hope you guys listen to it. Okay, so the specs of the phone is a 256GB and 8GB of RAM variant. It comes with a MediaTek Helio G95, which supports really good gaming process, which can be used for PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile without any lags or frame drops whatsoever. It comes with a huge battery of 5000 mAh, and it comes with pre-built Android 11, which supports, updates up to 2 years at least. Now the phone is booting up for the first time. I'm going to go ahead and launch the apps of the phone for the first time, but keep in mind that this is not a review. Having said that, I haven't used the phone for more than a day, so I can't really be honest with you and review the phone. But on the first hands-on of this phone, I mean, the looks and designs of the phone is really nice. I really like the form factor, I like the design, I like the color. It's not dark, it's not very it's not the opposite of dark. It's a nice color. It's a matte blue grayish, which is something I'm a fan of. Now the phone itself is very fast on your first hands-on. It launches the apps really nicely. It doesn't really lag. It doesn't have frame drops. The 90Hz display is something you're going to notice right away if you're coming for a phone that's maxed out at 60Hz. I personally use an iPhone and another Android device that's both at 60Hz. So the 90Hz display here that also comes with 1080p is something you see right away. The only downside is it doesn't come with OLED, which might be something that can be a drawback for some of you. Now, the form factor of the phone, the camera design, the structure is something I'm a really big fan of, and that's all I can say for today's video. If you have any questions about this product, make sure to leave it on the comment section. I'll most likely reply to all. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one.